Well, this event was one of the great Cloudbreak swells of the decade, and these giant southwest ground swells just followed the corridor up through the Tasman Sea between New Zealand and Australia to smash directly into Fiji during that time.
Yeah, this thing was looking to shape up to be like the Black Mamba. A lot of purple and dark colors in the middle of that storm.
Yeah, kind of a perfect storm, a lot of guys are calling it, but it's actually got quite a long life. This is truly one of those 10,000 mile swells.
You know, when big swells are forecasted, a lot of times there's so much hype around them. And most of the time you get there and they get downgraded by the time you actually get to the spot, and it kind of fizzles out. This swell lived up to its name times 10.
Okay, I swear I thought it was like an ocean liner, like in the water. It couldn't have been a wave.
I mean, that's the Teahupo'o that I've looked at so many pictures of since the day I started surfing. I've always dreamed of seeing.
You get a good one, you can make the best wave of your life.
Completely humbling experience to be in waves like that with surfers of that caliber.
Since the sun came up to when the sun went down, you were just on eggshells of adrenaline.
Everybody got amazing waves.
For the next 15 years and go, okay, well that's what we're after now.
The waves were so wide, you don't even know how big they were. They just got thicker and bigger and gnarlier.
It was a crazy treat to be a part of the whole situation, you know.
Take off, you look down the line and it's like this wall, as far as you can see, just this wall of water, and like it looks like a closeout. I just remember trying to stay high the whole time. And I actually there was a moment where I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm getting closer, I'm getting closer. I kept getting closer, and I'm gonna come out of this thing. And like what happened was like I got tweaked, like, and like kind of like still, and like almost got back, and like fell out, and I saw the light, and then I found it.
I couldn't sleep. Every night I went to bed, I couldn't sleep because I couldn't come down from the adrenaline high of just the intensity of freaking Cloudbreak.
Some really good ones. There's some outside ones, and then there's some wide ones like Bruce got, so gotta make a decision where to sit. The real big ones are pretty far out up the reef. I'd like to get one of those, but they're kind of few and far between right now. Just gotta wait, I guess. This sucker can paddle right here.
That was the day of days just because there was the moment lasted at 6 to 8 hours for 2 days straight.
There was a couple sets that came in that, you know, were pushing the, 20-foot mark, and like that's about as big as I've seen, maybe a little bit bigger.